application for the postponement of the hearing of Mr. Mokhesi's evidence today is dismissed. Reasons can be given in due course if they are requested. Mr. Mokhesi will need to take the witness stand, but he will be able to exercise his right with regard to specific questions.
An effortless attempt by Nthimotse Mokhesi, the head of the department at the Free State Department of Human Settlements, trying to avoid giving evidence at the commission, but failed, telling the commission that he has been advised not to talk about the Asbestos saga by his legal team. But he conceded that the law wasn't applied correctly in this matter from when the unsolicited bidding took place. Blackhead Consulting Company was contracted to do the work in the Free State. He says they simply followed the same process as Gauteng province, which was in the tender system.
Advice of the practitioner at the time. This we think will qualify as unsolicited bid because what was in the mind at that particular point was the most appropriate method will be the 16.6A. And that's where we are, because right now Mr. Pretorius is questioning me on the issues of the unsolicited. While I consider that this looks like an unsolicited bid, I accept that on hindsight to say this is what should have happened. But the fact of the matter is it didn't happen that way. Right?
Yes.
We apply, as I've indicated earlier on, that we apply a
wrong
section,
law provision.
The wrong section.
Yeah.
Mokhesi claims that after the fact, he asked the Supply Management Department why it did not ensure that the Free State contract mirrored the original Gauteng contract as required, but it was allegedly riddled with corruption. He added that this brought unnecessary problems for the Free State because this ultimately came to a point where things went south. Now on Monday, the Commission will hear evidence from the former personal assistants to Nomvula Mokonyane on the Busasa issues. Abongile Dumako, SABC News, Johannesburg.